What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have a product from Zechin. It's the Samba Pad magnetic 2-in-1 wireless charger. They were kind enough to send this out to me to review, unbox. So pretty much this is what you get. Like it says, it's 2-in-1. So you get 2 magnetic chargers to charge up your AirPods or your iPhone or Android devices. So pretty much this is what the box looks like. I picked the silver black one, so this is what they sent me over. So now I'm just going to get my unboxing knife and we're going to cut into it if I can find it, and we're gonna see how this works. So pretty much it shows you what you can charge. You can charge your AirPods or a phone. 2 things. I do currently have their other wireless charger, but I'll be glad to also have this one. So pretty much this is what you get. I do like the boxing material, the material that it comes in. If I can get a slit through here, let's see if it can get open. And let's pull it out like so. Put the box down there. So pretty much this is the pad. This pad does have a lot of weight to it. As you can see, I like the way that looks. It looks nice. It looks different. Never really seen one that looks like this. It says Zechin. The bottom here. This is some kind of sticker here. Let me see if I can get that off real quick, because this pad can stand up like this. Like this, it can stand up, or you can just leave it flat. There is some stickers on this, so we're just going to pull off all those real quick. I love I love to have wireless chargers. You can never have too many wireless chargers. So pull that off. But that does look very good. So you do get your instruction manual, but I am not going to read this. This should be very simple. So I'm gonna put that over there, and then you also get your charging cable. So this is how you would plug the charger, the wireless charger up with the cable. So I'm gonna untie this real quick and plug it in back there. As you can see, plug this in here like so. And then you can put that down there, and let me plug it up real quick. So now it is connected. So you can place your iPhone here. It's charging. Then you can also, you should be able to also place some AirPods here, and they'll be charging just like that. That is very cool. Or you can go place your iPhone here for MagSafe, but you want to make sure you have a MagSafe case. It's charging, and then you can plug your AirPods there, and you are good to go. I love having easy, simple things like this. Things that just work. So I'm going to take my case off to show you that this does work. Put that up there. It's a magnet, and just like that, that is what that looks like. Or you should be able to charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds. Also, whatever just has wireless charging for this part you're able to use, but here would have to be iPhone because the MagSafe capability. You can charge it in that angle or standing up like this. I really like this. This is very nice. Then you also have it to where you can place your AirPods there and you are good to go. So pretty much just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.